The introduction to the dawn of human civilization invites us to explore the formative period in human history when societies evolved from nomadic hunter-gatherers into complex, organized settlements. This epoch, often marked by the development of agriculture, led to the establishment of permanent settlements that laid the foundation for modern civilization. The significance of this stage cannot be overstated. It represents the shift from survivalist modes of existence to the pursuit of cultural, technological, and intellectual advancements. This monumental transition allowed human beings to manipulate their environment, leading to food surpluses, population growth, and eventually the rise of cities and states. Two notable examples illustrate this transformation vividly. The first is the Mesopotamian civilization, which emerged in the fertile plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Known as the cradle of civilization, Mesopotamia was characterized by the development of urban centers like Uruk and the invention of writing, specifically cuneiform, which allowed for record keeping and the transmission of knowledge. A second example is ancient Egypt, which flourished along the Nile River. The predictable flooding patterns enabled Egyptians to develop a calendar and implement large-scale agricultural projects. The stability provided by the Nile allowed for remarkable achievements in architecture, such as the pyramids, and advances in domains such as mathematics and medicine. Many scholars and historians emphasize the profound impact of these early civilizations, as they provided the framework for governance, economic systems, and cultural practices that persist today. However, this period is not without its complexities and debates. Some argue that the advent of civilization marked the beginning of social hierarchies and inequality, as surpluses allowed certain individuals or groups to amass power and wealth. Others contend that while civilization brought technological progress, it also led to environmental degradation and warfare over resources. The dawn of civilization is intrinsically linked to other aspects of the human journey, such as the development of social structures, religion, and technological innovation. These elements interacted in a symbiotic manner, each influencing the other to propel societies forward. Understanding this pivotal period provides insight into the origins of many contemporary societal norms and conflicts. As we reflect on this transformative era, it encourages us to consider how the past shapes our present and guides our future aspirations. The origins and characteristics of early civilization provide a foundational understanding of how human societies evolved from nomadic lifestyles to structured communities. Civilizations are typically defined by several key features: the establishment of cities, the development of centralized governments, technological advancement, complex religions, record-keeping systems, and distinct social classes. Understanding these characteristics is crucial as they mark the transition from scattered groups to organized societies capable of impacting their environment and shaping history. The significance of exploring early civilization lies in its transformative role in human history. It marks the point at which humans began to exert control over their surroundings, allowing for more stable food supplies through agriculture and domestication of animals. This stability supported population growth and more complex societal structures, setting the stage for future advancements in arts, science, and governance. The formation of early civilizations set patterns in social organization and cultural development that continue to influence modern societies. Examples of early civilizations include Mesopotamia and ancient Egypt. Mesopotamia, often referred to as the cradle of civilization, emerged in the Fertile Crescent between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Here, innovations such as the wheel, writing, cuneiform, and the concept of law, Code of Hammurabi, were developed. Ancient Egypt, along the Nile River, is renowned for its architectural achievements, like pyramids, and its advances in medicine and mathematics. Opinions supporting the study of early civilizations highlight its role in understanding human progress and cultural evolution. Some scholars argue that by studying these origins, we can better appreciate the complexities of socio-political systems and human resilience. However, there are challenges and controversies in this field, notably regarding the Eurocentric perspectives that have historically dominated the narrative of civilization. Critics argue for a more inclusive perspective that recognizes the contributions of various non-Western societies to human development. Additionally, debates persist over the environmental impacts of early civilizations, as some suggest that the aggressive exploitation of resources laid the groundwork for contemporary environmental challenges. This exploration of origins and characteristics of early civilization ties into broader themes of human adaptation and cultural development, influencing future advancements and shaping the geopolitical landscapes we see today. Understanding these beginnings provides context for the interconnectedness of human societies and the complexities of modern civilization. The development and advancement of societal structures refers to the gradual evolution and organization of human communities from basic familial groups to complex hierarchical societies. This concept is pivotal in understanding the first human civilization, as it underscores how humans collectively found ways to live together, cooperate, and create systems for governance, trade, and cultural expression. Societal structures laid the foundation for civilization itself, enabling stability and innovation. They provided the framework for people to collaborate in new ways, leading to the creation of cities, the development of social classes, and the establishment of governance systems. For instance, in ancient Mesopotamia, the rise of cities like Uruk demonstrated the capacity for organized urban living, with political, religious, and social institutions emerging to manage the complexities of city life. Similarly, in ancient Egypt, a structured society allowed for monumental achievements like the construction of the pyramids, which required organized labor, a centralized government, and a shared cultural purpose. Aujourd'hui, opinions supporting the significance of societal structures often highlight the efficiency and progress they bring. Anthropologists and historians point out that as societies became more hierarchical, they could support larger populations and foster technological innovations. However, there are challenges and controversies associated with societal structures. The creation of social hierarchies often led to inequality and conflicts over power and resources, issues that are still relevant today. Alternative viewpoints suggest that the advancement of societal structures sometimes restricted individual freedoms and promoted systems that benefited the few at the expense of the many. Critics argue that while these structures were necessary for order, they also paved the way for the exploitation seen in different periods of human history. The development of societal structures is deeply interconnected with other aspects of the first human civilization. For example, the establishment of governance systems influenced legal codes, economics, and cultures, which in turn impacted trade and technological advancement. Additionally, as societal structures became more complex, they gave rise to cultural achievements like art, writing, and religion, enriching human life and accelerating intellectual progress. Thus, the advancement of societal structures was not just a backdrop, but a dynamic force shaping the trajectory of early civilizations, reinforcing the idea that our shared human history is deeply rooted in collective organization and societal progression. Technological innovations played a pivotal role in the emergence of the first human civilization, serving as the backbone for societal development and laying the foundation for complex societies. Technology refers to the tools, techniques, and processes that humans developed to manipulate their environment, improve their quality of life, and solve practical problems. In the context of early civilizations, these innovations were transformative, fostering economic growth, social organization, and cultural advancements. The significance of technological innovations in early civilization cannot be overstated. They enabled the transition from nomadic lifestyles to settled communities, setting the stage for urbanization and the development of city-states. This shift allowed for the specialization of labor, a crucial element in the growth of complex societies, as it led to advancements in agriculture, trade, and governance. Two notable examples of technological innovations are the development of agriculture and advancements in metallurgy. The advent of agriculture, particularly the domestication of plants and animals, was a game changer. It allowed humans to produce surplus food, which not only supported larger populations, but also fostered the growth of permanent settlements. Metallurgy, specifically the use of copper and later bronze, revolutionized tool-making and warfare capabilities. These materials were stronger and more durable than their stone counterparts, leading to more efficient farming and improved weaponry. Many scholars and historians emphasize the role of these innovations in the growth of early civilizations. They argue that technological progress was a primary driver of societal complexity, enabling greater coordination, resource management, and cultural development. However, some contend that technology alone was not responsible for these changes. They highlight social, environmental, and economic factors that also played significant roles, suggesting a more nuanced interplay of influences. There are challenges and controversies associated with focusing solely on technological innovations. Some critics argue that this perspective can overshadow other critical factors, such as social structures, religious beliefs, and climate changes, which also significantly impacted early civilizations. Moreover, the reliance on technological advancements sometimes led to negative consequences, such as environmental degradation and social stratification. Technological innovations are inherently connected to other aspects of early civilization, influencing trade, social hierarchy, and even religious practices. As trade networks expanded due to improved tools and transportation methods, cultural exchanges flourished, further driving technological and intellectual advancements. Thus, understanding the role of technology in early civilizations offers valuable insights into how these societies functioned and evolved, providing a comprehensive view of the intricate web of factors that spurred the growth of the first human civilization.